Hello. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. This is the problem number 47. So this is a numerical answer type question. So here we need to evaluate a numerical answer for the particular question, and here we are told that we need to round it to two decimal places. So let's see what is in this question. Here we are given three random variables x1, x2, x3. They are independent normal random variables with mean 47, 55 and 60 respectively, and variance 10, 15 and 14 respectively. Now we have to find the probability x1 plus x2 is greater than equals to 2x3. Okay, so here x1 is normal 47 comma 10, x2 is normal 55 comma 15, and x3 is normal 60 comma 14, and they are independent. Now x1 plus x2 follows normal 102 comma 25, and minus 2x3 follows normal minus 120 comma 56. Therefore x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 follows normal minus 18 comma 81. Now the required probability is x1 plus x2 greater than equals to 2x3. So this can be written as x1 plus x2 minus 2x3, which is greater than equals to 0. Okay, or we can write x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 plus 18 divided by 9 is greater than equals to 18 divided by 9. Okay, hence this is nothing but a standard normal random variable, suppose named z, and z is greater than equals to 2. Therefore we get 1 minus capital phi of 2, where capital phi is the CDF of z, and this reduces to 1 minus 0.9772, and we get 0.0228. So if we round it to two decimal places, we get 0.02. So 0.02 is our required answer. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.